Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Sons of the Forest crashing. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Now make sure you have all the updates that you can find here and then close it and go back. Now go to Background Apps, turn off this option, then close it and go to View Advanced System Settings, adjust for best performance, apply and OK, and then close it. You can make it for best appearance whenever you want. Now go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates. Now if you find an update here, just download it and install it, and then go to settings, scroll down until you find image scaling, and now enable this option, and after that restart your computer and your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.